Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing. If you're eager to discover the best affiliate marketing programs in 2024, you're in the right place. Today, I'm not just going to talk, I'll show you real results from my personal journey. With earnings close to $80,000 on platforms like impact.com, join me as we navigate through a variety of opportunities from clothing and digital products to software and courses. I'll share insights into what works, what pays, and how to maximize your earnings. We'll dive deep into platforms housing thousands of products. You'll get an exclusive look at my strategies for selecting the best offers and my approach to affiliate partnerships. It's not just about picking a product, it's about understanding the market, the payout structures, and how to get accepted into high-paying programs. I'll guide you through all of this and more. Ready to unlock the potential of affiliate marketing and replicate my success? Stay tuned as we explore the best programs that can catapult your earnings. Let's dive right in. Let me quickly show you the Six Figure Freedom Club and why you should join. My name is David, and in 2023, I made $156,000 in affiliate commissions. This club is packed with comprehensive courses, live coaching, and a vibrant community already making sales. If you're struggling to make money online, our members are here gaining real income and growing their businesses. Ready to grow a real online business? The first step is taking action. Let me show you how. Click the first link below to get started. All right, so let's dive into what is the best affiliate marketing program. So I'm going to show you some of my accounts and talk to you a little bit about which ones I think are the best, which ones have paid me the most, and so forth. So right over here, this is called impact.com, and currently they house over 5,000 different affiliate products that you can go out and sell. This can be anything from clothing brands to physical products to digital products to courses to different software, all kinds of good stuff. And you can see brands that are coming in, new brands, etc., etc. But you can see over here, I've already pre-filtered this from December 1st, 2019 to January 24th, which you can see up here in the top corner. It's January 24th at the time of recording this video. And you will be able to see that I've made almost $80,000 on this platform right here, bringing in a total of sales in revenue for the different companies of over $500,000 right there. I don't think the conversion rate is sometimes the conversion rate is off. I usually have a better conversion rate than that, about a 3% or higher conversion rate. But you can see because that EPC is really good at $2 per click that I've sent. 38,000 clicks, and this is all free traffic, super cool stuff. But you can see, we'll come over here and click on payouts, and you can see all of the different payouts right over there. So we currently have $9,400 that I still need paid out and so forth. But Impact's cool because we can come over here to brands and we can go to find brands. And then you're going to be able to come over here, and if we just go to all brands, this is where I'm talking about that 5,000. But look at right here, 5,169 different companies that we can go out and start looking at what we're trying to promote. And they have different software and services, like right over here, this is Upwork right here. You can just click on it and you'd come over here and then you'd be able to see what the commission rate is going to be, what the affiliate terms are, and so forth. And a lot of times when you're getting started, I'll come over here and I'll look at this. The fact that they have an acceptance rate of only 1%, I wouldn't even waste my time. Even with a following, I probably wouldn't even reach out to this company when they're not going to accept anybody. They have a low EPC and so forth. This just doesn't look good. But we would want to go and find somewhere, maybe ManyChat. We would come in here and you'd see that they're looking a little bit better at 28%. And then they have a good, healthy, over $2 EPC over the last 30 days. So this would be something that if you have an established audience, you'd probably go ahead and submit. All you do is just push the apply button, go and write about your brand, probably give them your best marketing channel. In my case, it would be a YouTube channel. And then they would go ahead and get back to you, and you get an automatic email and they will let you know if you got accepted into the program or not. I do have a positive story to share. I was trying to be an affiliate with semrush and I got denied. SemRush is in here in Impact. I got denied, and I went ahead and got their contact information, and I reached out to them and told them a little bit more about my story, sent them my YouTube channel and so forth. And then within a day, they actually approved me to the program. So don't always take no for an answer. Don't always give up. You can actually, if you think that you got denied mistakenly, or you still feel like you have a good channel, and because a lot of these companies have automation built in, like Etsy and so forth, where they just like automatically delete your account or they automatically disapprove you. But certainly it doesn't hurt to reach back out if it's a software product or a product that you really do want to promote. Okay. So that's all you have to do. And it's really cool because then you can have all these, and I can go over here to my brands. So if I click on my brands, you can see that I'm only approved for 11. I've got InVideo, Teachable, Namecheap, things that I'm interested in, PitchGround, and there's that SemRush and so forth. But the bulk of my money, the commissions that I make, come from AppSumo because they have thousands of softwares inside of their own platform. And so that's what I focus on. So it's super cool. This is definitely one of my favorites. But then we can move on and we can go over here to Warrior Plus. I'm going to show you some of these and then we'll talk about which one is my favorite. And then if we come over here and I'm just going to I'm going to go with stats over here. And then I'm just going to look in this account for all time. We're looking at $40,000 right here in this account inside of Warrior Plus. Most of this would be affiliate marketing. Some of it is with my own products, but I would say probably about 80 to 90% of that is affiliate marketing products. Then we'd come over here into JVZoo and I'd go into affiliates and maybe the affiliate dashboard. And then I'm going to scroll through here and cool. I love that they have an all-time, just like Warrior Plus. And then we'll come over here and we'll look at this. We're at $41,000 all-time on JVZoo as well. So I matched the 40,000 and 40,000. So there's another $80,000 right there. So just between Impact, Warrior Plus, and JVZoo, the last few years, that's already $160,000 in commissions earned. But then we can come over here and we can look at this other place right over here called Pay Kickstart. And who's doing this, right? Who's actually logging into their accounts, showing you the real money in commissions that they've made. This is real world affiliate marketing right here. If you do it right, you build an audience, you're honest in your business. This is the kind of money that you can make with affiliate marketing. With Pay Kickstart, I've made $40,000. This one did have quite a bit of refunds, so that brought it down to $33,000, but making almost $41,000 in commissions. I haven't been promoting products on Pay Kickstart this last year. As you can see, 2022 was a breakout year, and I haven't really done much since. But that's another one worth checking out as well. And then we can come over here and start looking at some individual softwares. Like this one is SEO Writing AI. I've got $900 in here waiting to get paid out. And we can go over here and look at details. Here's the cash coming in on a daily basis. We can look at the last 6 months and you can just see $1,500 there, $1,000 there, $1,300 right there, $1,500 right there, and so forth. This is from a software called First Promoter. And if you go over to First Promoter, that is going to be where your vendor, like a software provider, usually it's what I found is software providers, but this is where they are basically using, instead of going to Impact or something like that, they're going and they're signing up. Maybe they're paying a few $100 a month for Impact or for First Promoter to house their affiliate program. And this is, if you're going to manage the affiliate program for your product yourself, then this is what it looks like. And this one it's very seamless. They pay you out through PayPal and you have really good stats. You always know where you're at and so forth. You get an email every time you make a sale. I really like the First Promoter platform. That is definitely a platform that I would consider if I was going to sell a product or create an affiliate program for a product of mine. I would think very much seriously about First Promoter. Okay. I'm going to log into another one. This is also from First Promoter, and this is Rank IQ. And you can see right over here, all the commissions that I have been paid out page after page right over here with Rank IQ as well. There's other ones too. You probably have heard of ClickBank, right? You can go to ClickBank, you can sign up as an affiliate, and they're going to have hundreds of products, commissions paid over $6.2 billion, and they have over 100,000 active affiliates promoting their products. So you just want to be careful that I would strongly suggest you go and purchase the product that you're going to sell. You may as well purchase it. Then you're going to be able to make way more content, honest content, and so forth. If you actually, even if you're going to sell a supplement, right? The health and fitness niche and health supplements and weight loss pills and all that kind of stuff sell really well on ClickBank, but you're going to want to go and just buy the product, spend the 50 to $100, buy the product to get it to your home, sample it out. So then you can go and create good blog content. So you can create good social media content and actually show it in your hand, right? So you can actually create really good videos for YouTube and so forth. That's the magic. That's where you're going to actually be able to make sales because you have the actual product. We have this other one over here. This was Commission Junction. They just go by CJ now. This one also, you can look at the stats over here, $157 million annually right here, 16 billion plus annually revenue potential. Right over here, 1 billion monthly over here. So like a bunch of their different numbers. I'm not really sure which one of those that they're paying out, but it's obviously billions of dollars that they are paying out. And this is a massive affiliate site as well. If we come over here and look at the monthly visits as over 1.3 million visitors going to that site each month as well. Okay. Overall, my favorite is the one that works best for your niche. I really don't have a favorite affiliate marketing program per se. It's really going to determine if you're in the AI content creation niche, then my favorite would be probably First Promoter and going directly to the companies that have really good affiliate programs like RankIQ, like SEO Writing. It used to be Jasper, but their affiliate program just completely tanked. Then the company, I don't even know what's going on with them. But these are the kind of softwares that are really fun to promote because you get paid on time, you get paid once a month for the work that you did before, and so forth. I definitely encourage you to find companies that you can work directly with when they house their own affiliate program. That's a really good way to start making commissions and consistent commissions. But then when we start coming over here and we look at specific software, that's what I was talking about right there with First Promoter. There's also another one called Rewardful, and I have a lot of other softwares that I sell where this is also like First Promoter, where the company houses their own and pays you out monthly. So super cool. But my favorite big affiliate program platform is going to be Impact. They just make it easy to get your affiliate links, right? You just come over here, and if you want an affiliate link, you just go to Home, and then you come through over here, and you can see on AppSumo, you would just paste the landing page to the page, you would click the create button, and then you would have your affiliate link right here. So this is not even logging into AppSumo, and I would already have my affiliate link to the page or product that I'm looking to promote. So they make it really easy, and then they pay you out once a month. So if I went over here to brands, and I go to my brands, and let's just say I'm making really good money with multiple brands. InVideo's paying me $1,000 a month, Teachable's paying me $1,000 a month, and AppSumo's paying me $2,000 a month. So I've got $4,000 from multiple companies in here. You're going to get paid once a month from all, and they're going to combine all those commissions together, what is owed out, and then boom, they're going to send it to your bank account. So that's what I like about this too, is that it's multiple vendors all in one app. So AppSumoImpact.com is probably my favorite large affiliate network, affiliate platform to find multiple products and get paid out. And then finally, for Make Money Online niche, if you want to get into that, is Warrior Plus. Just make sure to promote only good products. I have other videos on that, but just make sure that you're promoting products that have at least, or vendors that have at least 3 stars, and then vet the product. And then if you get involved with a product, you promote it, it ends up not being that great or whatever, then have a spreadsheet, keep track of those people so that you're not to promote them again. Be as honest as you can be with your future customers, people that want to buy from you. Don't be selling garbage, but there are good products on there. You just have to do your due diligence. It takes a little bit more time. And the name of the game for this is actually fewer will actually, when you actually go the extra mile and create bonuses for Warrior Plus products that are really good, and you focus on one launch a week, you're going to find more success with that than going out and just blasting every product that comes out and trying to sell it. That's going to be really hard to keep up with. It's going to be really hard to really gain an audience that is trusting the product that you're promoting. So overall, those are my favorites. There's some really good choices. Go out there, take action. Remember, you can click the first link below if you want more information about the 6-Figure Freedom Club and how you can get started with YouTube and affiliate marketing today. See you in the next video.